So hello everyone, welcome to e-commerce trends, and in this video we will learn how to do listing on Meesho. And during the video I will give you some tips and points of SEO in listing. And if you do best SEO of your products, then you will definitely get many orders, hundreds of orders per day. So without wasting time, let's go to the computer screen. So first we will log in on our Meesho panel. So let me log in first. So I have logged in my panel, and we will go to the catalog upload section. And then here is two listing: add catalogs in bulk, and second is add single catalog. But in this video we will learn to do single listing. So we will click on this, and you have to select your category. Like I deal with men fashion, and you have to select subcategory. Like mine is western wear, and then bottom wear. And I sell track pants, so I will choose track pant. And here you have to upload 8 products. Like let me choose the picture of my product. So this is the picture of my product. So here you can see that I can add many products, like different color, blue, black, green, this. And here I can upload the same picture of the same product, like this. Here you can upload total 4 photos, but I have 2, so I will upload only 2 photos. Here you have to put your Meesho price on which you will sell your product. Like I sell six. You have to put like 699. So this price matters a lot. And now you have to select wrong defective return price. So it will take automatically, like it has taken 674. And you can change as well, like I want to change 84, so you can change easily. And MRP you have to keep more than Meesho price, so I will keep MRP 1500. And you have to select GST percentage. You can select according to your product. So I will select 5%. And then you have to select HSN code, like this, and you can select according to your product. And then you have to put weight, like 240 grams. And style code, you can put anything according to your product. Like I will set LGRY2P. So I'm putting any. Now you have to select product name. It matters a lot if you are listing product on Meesho, because your product will rank by your title and keywords. So you have to choose your title very easily. Like you have to go first on Meesho. And now if I am selling track pants, so I will search track pants. And now you can see that there are many keywords and titles, you can say. So top title is track pants for boys. So here you can put first, and you have to keep first letter capital, like track pants T, and then RAPANT. track pants, and then F capital for and boys, so B capital OYS, boys, track pants for boys. So it's very short title, and if you want to keep more like combo, so my project is not for combo, so I can select joggers, this like track pants for boys, joggers, and you can put color of your product, like this is white, so I will put white. So track pants for boys, joggers, white. It's very perfect title for ranking your products. Now you have to select size like 28, 30, 32, 34. You can select any according to your product. Here you have to put inventory, and then you have to put SKU code, which is here, and you can keep same, or if it's your wish you can keep anything. And here you have to put waist size, and here you can put length of your packaging, and here hip size, sorry, not for packaging. Here you have to put product waist size, length size, and hip size. So let's go to the next section, which is for color. So my product is white, so I will select white. Fabric is, you can select according to your product. I have lycra, so I will choose lycra. Lycra. Country of origin India, and manufacturer detail, here I will put, you can select your company names or your names, doesn't matter. Here you have to put packer details, so I will keep same. Brand, if you have registered with Meesho, so your brand will show here, and you can select easily from drop down, but I have not registered my brand on Meesho, so I will not select. Fit shape, jogger pants, length, full, net quantity, this is how much quantity customer can order in one time. So you can select maximum, so there is maximum only 10, so we will choose 10. Occasion, casual, original, it doesn't matter, don't choose original. Pattern, you can choose solid. Print or pattern type, you can choose like I will choose same solid. And waist closure, like if you are dealing with track pants, so you can choose button, drawstring, elastic, zip, so I will choose drawstring. And waist rise is mid rise, you can select your according to your product. And now you have to give a description of your product, and make sure that if you give any description, it doesn't matter that what description are you giving to the Meesho, but it's necessary that the title which you have put on listing, you have to keep your title in description as well, so that your product can rank on panel and you will get higher orders. So now listing is completed, and if you have more product, then you can simply go to the 8 products, and you can easily add like this, and you can do same listing again, and you can mention many picture here, like 4 picture are allowed in Meesho, so you can set. And if you want same price and same description you want to put in this product, so you can simply copy, proceed, and then again copy and proceed. So you can see here is everything same, 699, 684, 1500, you can see everything is same like earlier. So it's very easy to list catalogs on Meesho, and make sure that you keep title very heavy so that your product can rank. And if you want to take more orders, then you have to make sure that you are putting price very perfect. So one thing you have to make sure that you are putting price very competitive, because if your competitors are selling this product in 680, so your product will not rank on first page. But if you want to rank your product first page, you can simply, if your competitors are selling product on 680, then you have to keep your price 679. Doesn't matter with 1 rupees, so you can keep your price like that. And this is the wrong defective return price. This you can set yourself, like I want to set 660. So this is the complete listing and with 100% SEO. So you can simply rank your product easily on first page. So I hope that you understood all the things how to do listing on Meesho, and thanks for watching this video. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss another videos which I will upload related to e-commerce, and you will keep learning with e-commerce trends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.